This is a drone flute in the key of D minor. It's a high D. And it is made out of aromatic cedar. It does have two mouth holes, one for the melody side and one for the drone side, so you can play single or double, either way, whatever you'd like. And it does have turquoise inlaid on both sides. It's a beautiful little flute. And here's what it sounds like. And its voice, we record in totally natural. We don't put any sound enhancements like reverb or anything else on there. You want to know what it sounds like when you're playing it. Here it is. First I'm going to play a single and then a double.